I get that because I've been in that phase as well of getting by. So the getting by phase, now I realize, is often a ticking clock. It usually works until a major customer demands an audit, a security incident occurs, or a new regulation like GDPR suddenly applies to your user base. And then it's chaos. And you are scrambling reactively, which is always more expensive and stressful. Plus, compliance is not something you can just get it right tomorrow. The cost of an emergency compliance push, including consultant fees, including overtime, potential fines for being non compliant, can easily run into tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. My advice is to start now, but start smart. You don't have to boil the ocean. Assess your biggest risks. Where is your most sensitive data, for example? What are your most critical systems? Pick a framework and start small. For example, just start with core SOC 2 security controls or GDPR data protection principle. Then leverage automation. And this is where Zopdev comes in. So we are built so you don't have to scramble. Our platform continuously monitors your cloud environments for common misconfigurations related to SOC 2, HIPAA, ISO, PCI, and other frameworks. It alerts you to issues like overly permissive IAM roles, unencrypted storage, or insecure network configurations. And this keeps your security posture clean proactively, not reactively. You stay compliant by default, not by emergency. And it's a fundamental shift in mindset. This mindset of reactive, audit driven approach to a continuous automated compliance model. That's what we enable you, and that's why we exist.